So you finally decided to start going to the gym. Congratulations. It's your first day. You are reluctant to go into the gym. You think you are scared that you will be judged by the people at the gym. First of all, that 100 kilos muscle monster was once a beginner too. You are a beginner as well. He won't judge you. The people that go to the gym for exercising won't judge you at all. The ones that go there for gossiping, time pass, they can judge you. But we don't care about them. Nobody cares about them. So it's your first day. Look around at the gym. Look at what exercises the people are doing. Start with light weight and correct form. You can look up for any workout that you want. You can make a specialized workout for yourself on ChatGPT. You can use it for making yourself a diet routine or a workout routine for your specific purpose. You may want to gain weight or lose weight. Don't go to the gym on the first day and be like, I'm going to do spider curls. Ugh. That's an advanced exercise for amateurs, for veterans, for people who have a certain amount of muscle to destroy and rebuild. You have stick like arms and a pinch amount of muscle for your daily functioning. Don't go in the gym and start doing the Arnold workout on the first day. Start with light exercises. Start with beginner exercises. And get your diet correct. To the old ones, to the ones who have experience at the gym, you can help the new ones, the ones that are serious with the gym. Not the ones that are there for 2 days, who are there doing lat pull downs like you are not at a party, bro. You are at the gym. Stop gossiping. And don't sit on the machines. Don't waste other people's time. If somebody needs a spot, help them. Don't act like you are a 2 year old at a playground of dogs. At a dog playground. You're acting like this. What can I do? You look dumb, first of all. If you need help, ask for help. Nobody's coming to save you. If you need a spot, you need someone to stand behind you and help you, ask for someone. Ask someone to help you. Nobody will say no if their hands are broken. Otherwise, don't let me see your ass folded on the squat machine. Once, like at the gym, there was this beginner doing squats, not asking anyone for help, just doing random shit. Like that guy fell on his nose. Be careful with every exercise that you do. You can break your bones. Be careful with the exercise that you do. Ask for a spot if you don't know what you are doing. And if you can't afford the fees for a gym, you can do workouts at home. There are many workouts you can do at home. There are people who have made enormous muscle at home. Ankit Bayanpuria, the 75 hard challenge. He made so much muscle doing those at home workouts. Sapate, runs. I like the more that was in his videos, the peacock. Start your gym journey and record yourself doing those workouts and your take photographs of yourself from the starting, and your future self will literally feel motivated after seeing this. You will be happy seeing the progress. Start today. Start exercising. Start getting in shape and get your diet in order. And one more thing, diet will play the most of the role in building your body. Exercise is 20%. Food and your diet is 80% of how you will make your body. So get good food, eat good food. That's all I'll say. Start working today. Have a smile on your face. Trust the process. Peace.